We'll guide you through how to use VoiceMeeter to play sounds or music through your microphone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
Now to download it, just go to any browser to your liking and search for VoiceMeeter and hit enter. Now you land in this interface. From here, you can choose standard, banana or potato, but I would suggest going with the standard version if you are just starting out. Just click on the download icon and a zip file will be installed on your computer. Now after that zip file is downloaded, just go inside the file and run the exe and install the app by following its setup prompts. Now once you have that app installed, we will just start setting it up. And after the app is installed, sometimes it may even prompt you to restart your computer, and just go ahead and restart. And after you have restarted and opened your VoiceMeeter, you will land in this interface. It might look quite advanced and confusing at first, but I will guide you step by step. Begin by adding your microphone. Go to your stereo input 1 and just click on the drop down. And from here, just choose WDM and make sure your mic is selected. And after selecting, just close the window. You can even rename it by just right clicking on it and just type, for example, mic and hit enter. And it will be renamed as mic. Next, set up your headphones. Just go to the settings on your top right and you will see an option labeled as A1. Just click on the A1 and go to MME and just choose your headphone or speakers. And at this point, you should be able to hear yourself. Make sure to toggle off this A as you'll see the echo. And after toggling it off, you won't hear the echo. Now, let's get music or app sounds to go through your mic. Just go to your Windows search bar and search for Mixer. And just open the sound mixer settings and find the app that you want to play through your mic. In my case, I'm just gonna go with Google Chrome. I'll just click on it, and in the output device, just click on the drop down and make sure VoiceMeeter input is selected. And after selecting, just go back to your VoiceMeeter. You will see this virtual input and you can just right click on it to rename it. Rename it like music if you are playing music and hit enter. And after renaming in VoiceMeeter, remember, A is what you hear and B is what others hear. You can disable A if you want to hear it yourself, or you can disable B if you don't want others to hear it. And let's just test it. We will just go to our Chrome and go to YouTube and play some copyright free music. Now let's play some music. If you wanna know what it's like. Now to send both your mic and the music through any of the applications like OBS, Discord or game, make sure to select B1 as the input. And in my case, I'm just gonna go with Discord, and the settings applies pretty much to all of the apps. Just go to your user settings and go to voice and video like so. And from here, just click on the input device or microphone and click on the drop down. Make sure to set microphone into VoiceMeeter B1. Just select the VoiceMeeter B1 and it will be selected. And this way, your mic and the music will be combined and send it to anyone listening. Lastly, and also, if you want the sound to go through your OBS Studio, just open your OBS settings by just clicking on settings and go to audio. Just go to your mic auxiliary audio and just click on the drop down and make sure VoiceMeeter out B1 is selected and click on OK.